song for you, J.R. Drew, J.R. Drew, because I wanted to tell you all the things I think about you. I love the man you are, J. Drew R, J. Drew R, ever since we first sung Mad World at the karaoke bar. I hope you are okay, R. Drew J, R. Drew J, with all of the silly little hokey things I always say. When I don't have a clue, J.R. Drew, J.R. Drew, I find a double rainbow leading to a part of you.
Your hair grows wild, your eyes are blue. I'm 6'4", so you're surely 6'2". A trauma nurse who plays pool halls, and when you lose you say suck my balls, and that recalls why I'm stuck on you, J.R. Drew, J.R. Drew.
So happy 42, J.R. Drew, J.R. Drew, I hope good fortune will perpetually rain a lot on you. I think you are a star, J. Drew R, J. Drew R, ever since I rode to Spokane by your side in your old white car. I had a lot to say, R. Drew J, R. Drew J, but I can't fit it all in cause I wrote this song in just one day. Next time you're feeling blue, J.R. Drew, J.R. Drew, I hope you'll give a hearty listen to the sappy little song I wrote for you.
Your winning smile and contagious laugh melts the hearts of everyone who's in your path. My time with you I would not trade. You're sweeter than sweet tea, vodka, lemonade. I hope I've made an impression on you, J.R.